guys, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about dragon fruit. Come on. These probably will bloom in the night very beautifully. This one also. Let's count down. We are there in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bloom very good. Dragon fruits are so beautiful, especially their taste. So this dragon fruit also has a title called Queen of the Nights. That means that especially these, they'll bloom at the night and they'll look like a queen. But in the daytime, they will close back. They just look so beautiful, but in the night they will look super beautiful. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.